that box and see what's there. So they sent me very simple soft shackle and winch ring kit, and I worked with this before, but let's see what's here. Okay, so we have a sandbag, which is very nice because when you have this all wet and dirty, you can pack this on your truck. And how I said, we have here a winch wheel, which basically, which basically help you reduce the pressure and the 50%, I will say. And then I have that soft shackle. Before we go any further, I had to show you this is very crucial. This is very important what they say here. Incorrect use may result in injury or death. And this is what I do in a dyno 4x4. This is exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use this incorrectly. You wanna be sure something works and you wanna send this to the dyno 4x4, this is how I test it. So for this test I needed two cars, dyno 4x4 SUV and Indoraptor, winch, our bunker right here, and this is easy test. I don't really expect anything crazy here. I'm not gonna even bother a lot. Ready for test number 2, super simple as well. So it's basically forklift versus Indoraptor. And here, I don't think it's gonna be any difficulty as well. Easy peasy, absolutely no problem. Of course, forklift is super heavy, so I knew that's not gonna be any difficulty right here. So how about this? Let me see what we can do using that bunker right here. Go a little bit up and see how much we can raise Indoraptor. Can't believe it, actually I can move it. Wow, I didn't expect this. That's crazy. I actually moved the forklift, and the forklift is in the brake. So I didn't want to do it this way. Hold on a second. Get a little bit closer, because it wasn't my idea to pull the forklift. Oops. I want to see how much I can lift my Indoraptor. And it is in the air, guys. So I can change the wheel now. All right, the test actually go much better than I thought. And remember, don't do it at home. First, we start with dyno SUV and my Indoraptor. It was pretty easy. I know it's gonna be no problem. Then we use the forklift just to pull the Indoraptor, and also that didn't make any issues. Now the part number 3, test number 3, it's something you never ever want to do. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. No, it's crazy. And actually that bunker said this very clearly, that incorrect use may result some injury or even death. So take this very seriously, that don't do it. I did it because I have a lot of confidence of these guys. I know the bunker is doing very, very well, all the recovery gears, because we use them many times in off-roading, pulling each other, and very, very heavy pickup trucks. We don't use the Jeeps, we use the very heavy pickup trucks with this equipment and never had a problem. So I have a like 100% sure in my mind that test is gonna work, and it worked. So bunker, thanks a lot for so awesome job you guys doing in all the recovery that save our time and save our crazy situation almost every single time if something happened off-roading.